Today is cut and sew day. So I was in here today trying to get this new pattern together. Let me put this down. Working on a new pattern. As you can see, here's my cutouts of my patterns. I didn't cut them out fully. Sketched it out in my book to make sure to keep a mental note. Let's see if we can, mental note, measurements and everything. I think it's very important when making a custom item or try to make something that fits you, like this. You know what I mean? This is one of my creations. Anyway, it's very weird sometimes, or when you're using a template from a pair of jeans that you like. In this case, this is what I'm doing. I used the old pair of jeans that fit me kind of big as my foundation, so that when I get to the point of fitting them or trying them on, I can make alterations from that. I'd rather have more fabric to take away from than not being able to take away from any fabric at all. So with this piece, I basically cut out, my front panel, back panel, my crotch, where your zipper would be, or, for me, I'm going to put buttons instead of a zipper. And I cut out my pockets for the front. I don't know if I'm gonna put pockets in the back. Probably will, but I don't know. We'll see about that. But what was important for me is that I had the pockets for the front and back, and the seam of the crotch. So those are all cut out here. If I can show it a little better. So as you can see right here, come on. Forgive me, guys. So as you can see, I got my pocket cut out here. And this whole sheet, I was able to put everything on one thing. You know what I'm saying? And I can still make other changes if need be. And this is why I like using muslin when it comes to creating a pattern, because once you cut that out, you can try it on. And because I'm making leather pants, that'll be great, because I can make my alterations. This fabric is stiff, almost like leather, so it's kind of the same same weight almost. It has the same give, I would say. I say a lot, people. Whatever. But I just wanted to say, continue to keep being creative. If you made it this far, please like, share, comment. I want to know if you guys like what I'm doing, if you would like me to continue to keep doing these things. I'm gonna continue to keep designing either which way, so that's not going to stop whether you guys like it or not. But when it comes to posting these cut and sews blogs and posts, I really want to know if you guys like these. Make sure, like I said, like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys like about these feeds. If you're not already following me on Instagram and Facebook, get there. Do that. Thank you. And that's really it at this point. Stay tuned. I'll probably do another blog in a few days of the fitting to let you guys see how far I come with the try on, and then we have a final fitting. You know, I wrote everything down in my book as to, you know, the steps, you know, I need to take. So pattern is made. Still gotta cut it out. I ain't cut it out. Got the try on, you know what I mean, the first fitting. After I kind of sew it together, see how it fits, if I need to make alterations from that. Try it on again, you know, do alterations, and then you do the final fitting. You know, we like to do the final fittings around here. So we're gonna do like 3 fittings before we even touch the leather, because I don't want to get to the leather and I mess up. We want that to be as perfect as possible and as easy as possible. And you know, we're gonna keep working. I think it's important that you write things down to keep a mental note or foundation of the things you got going on. Very important. You know, that's just business in general. Write down the things you need to do or what's going to go on in your day. So with that being said, it's your boy Black Hippie. Peace to the gods in the universe. Catch you on the next one.